How to clear all formatting in Microsoft Word. If your document contains text with different formatting, such as bold, italics, underline, font colors, superscript, or different font sizes, you can easily remove the formatting and return the text to its default style. First, select the text you want to remove the formatting from. Then, go to the Home tab. In the Font section, click Clear All Formatting. This will remove the formatting from the selected text. There's also a quick keyboard shortcut you can use. Select the text and press Ctrl plus space at the same time. This removes character-level formatting, such as the font size, bold, italics, and other text formatting, while keeping paragraph formatting like indentation and line spacing. And that's how you can clear all formatting in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Microsoft tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.